Quizzes in Frog are an excellent way to test learners' understanding of the information you have provided. They are self-marking too. To create a quiz, you can either click on the plus in the Frog bar and select Create Quiz, or you can open Frog Drive and select quizzes from within that application. You'll see all the quizzes you have created and separately all the quizzes published to your organization's Frog. You can use the search tools to find an existing quiz and if needed, edit or duplicate one by selecting it and choosing the option in the action cog. For now though, I will use the New Quiz button to create a new quiz. I have to name my quiz, and I can include overall instructions, and a link to a video on either YouTube or Vimeo to serve as a tutorial. Once I'm finished on this screen, I click Next, and I'm presented with a range of question types to choose from. There are 4 formats of multiple choice. Free text allows the learner to type in their answer, and Frog will look for keywords to mark against. Match pairs, ordering and category see the learner dragging their answers into the correct sections. Highlight words and fill in the blanks both present the learner with a block of text they have to alter to answer. To demonstrate how the questions work, I'll start with a multiple choice question. I type my question into the text at the top. If literacy is a concern, I can also record my question and upload a recording here to sit alongside the text. In this section, I can add a picture or separate audio file, or search YouTube for a video. In the Answers section, I can add up to 5 answers, and using these checkboxes, I can denote which are correct. When presented to the learner, Frog will shuffle these answers. I can set a mark here. By default, each question has a weighting of 1. I can alter this. Frog will use the mark value to calculate a percentage score for each learner's results. Under feedback, I can leave responses for both incorrect and correctly answered questions, and I can also include a hint if applicable. Once I'm happy with the question, I click Save. I am returned to this screen. At the bottom I have the same question type selector, but my newly created question is listed above. Using the pencil icon, I can edit the question, and the 2 sheets icon will let me duplicate the question, making it simple to rapidly assemble a quiz. I'm going to scroll back to the bottom now and click on the backlink to leave the multiple choice questions, and this time choose a fill in the blanks type. There are 3 options here, all hopefully self-explanatory. In the first, the learner drags the correct answer to a gap in the sentence. The second, the learner types in the missing word. And the third, the learner chooses the correct word from a drop-down. Once the sentence is typed, you simply highlight the correct word, and in the dummy answers type in some incorrect variations of the answer. Everything else is the same as the multiple choice question. Once you have assembled the question, you can save the quiz. Returning to your module, drag in the Task Quiz widget and click Import Quiz and select your quiz. If you select the completion type Score greater than pass mark, you have the opportunity to enter a percentage learners will need to achieve in order to pass the activity.